guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I last uploaded anything. It's been actually over a year and it's really long, but I'm back and I decided to film a fall makeup look for you guys. So it's a very simple everyday kind of fall makeup look. It's nothing too fancy and it's really simple to do. So if you want to know how to do this fall simple daily everyday makeup look, then let's just get right into it. So to start off, you're going to moisturize our face with a clean and clear dual action that prevents breakout. Don't forget to also apply this on your neck. It's really cold and dry out right now, so don't forget to moisturize your lips with any lip balm. For foundation, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using it in Warm Honey, and with my Dent Beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it all over my face with just one layer because we're going for something more natural and not too heavy. For concealer, we're using the L'Oreal True Match in, I think, medium. Not too sure what the shade is, but I'll link it on the description below. So for this, I'm just using a light layer under my eyes, all my acne scars around my mouth and my eyelids, and I think my nose and my forehead as well. Yeah, it might sound a little nasal right now. It's because it's really cold outside and I don't do well with the cold, but oh well. So with the same damp beauty blender, we're just going to use that and blend everything. For this whole look, I'm going to use the beauty blender a lot because I realized like it really gives you that very flawless but sheer look, so it's not too cakey and matte, so there's a bit of glow and sheerness to it. So this right here is the Catrice translucent powder. I'm just going to put that around my T-zone area, so like under my eyes, nose, mouth, and forehead area. So yep. Alright, onto the brows now. I'm just going to use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit that I've been using forever now. I'm just going to brush through my hair with a spoolie, and I'm using this gel part of the eyebrow kit. And I'm just going to go over my natural brows and just fill in any gaps and stuff. Yeah. Okay, on to the fun part now. We're using the Carli Bybel palette as well as this Shiny palette. So there's two different sides to this palette, but I'm using this light shade. I'm just gonna put that, wow, look at that, powder's flying everywhere. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid, and with this darker brown, I'm gonna just blend that into the crease with this large fluffy brush. Forgot where I got it from, but yeah, I'm just gonna blend into the crease for a transition color. And for the lid color, I'm using this bronzy shimmery shade from the Carli Bybel palette just on my lids, and I'm just applying that with my fingers. And if it's a little too light, I'll just go over it again just to like darken it a bit. Yep. And this too, like purpley and dark brown, chocolate brown shade from the Shiny palette. We're just gonna put that just on the outer V and right at the crease, but not blend it out too far. And over here, I'm just like blending everything so it looks, you know, blended. So I'm using this Catrice Voluminous Mascara and curling my lashes with this Shimmer eyelash curler, and I'm just gonna put on my mascara, and I'll go in with a second coat later on, but we'll just let it dry off for a bit. So onto the rest of our face, I'm using this Tarte palette. It's a highlight contour thingy, and we're using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to just give it a light contour. So I feel like for fall, I would want more like of a bronze and glow and not too much blush, so we're just going to skip that, but I'm just going to contour all over my face, forehead, cheeks, jaw, and the nose. So from the same Tarte palette, I'm using the highlight shade right next to the bronze shade and just putting on the tip of my nose, the bridge, the brow bone, as well as my cheekbones. But for the cheekbones, I'm just going to use it with a Dent Beauty blender just to give that very natural glow and not like too powdery kind of look. and also not forgetting my chin as well as the Cupid's bow. So a little trick to removing any dry mascara on your eyelid is to use a dry cotton bud and just clean it right off, and it'll just come off really easily. And lastly, we're going to use the Wet n Wild lipstick in Mochalicious, my all-time favorite, for that nice pinkish, brownish fall kind of look. And here's the final look, very simple, easy to do fall everyday makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this fall makeup tutorial. If you do enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button somewhere on the screen now, or just down below. And if you do want to see new kinds of videos, or just any videos, just leave it down in the comments and I'll try to work something out. I think that's about it for now. I'll try to do a weekly video if I can for now. So yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. Bye!